Hey guys, in this video we're taking a quick look at Malwarebytes and exploring the features that make it one of the most trusted security tools for protecting your computer. So, let's get started. Malwarebytes is an antivirus and anti-malware program designed to help protect your device from viruses, ransomware, spyware, and other online threats. It's available for both Windows and Mac, making it a popular choice for home users and professionals alike. One of the biggest advantages of Malwarebytes is its fast and powerful malware detection. It can identify and remove harmful files before they cause serious damage to your system. In addition to malware protection, Malwarebytes also helps block dangerous websites, phishing attacks, and malicious downloads, giving you a safer browsing experience. The software includes real-time protection, which continuously monitors your computer and helps stop threats before they can infect your device. Premium users also receive extra security features for stronger protection. Another useful feature is its clean and user-friendly interface. Everything is organized in a simple layout, making it easy for both beginners and experienced users to understand the program. Malwarebytes also receives regular updates, allowing it to recognize the latest security threats and improve its detection capabilities over time. Whether you're using your computer for work, gaming, studying, or everyday browsing, Malwarebytes provides an extra layer of security that helps keep your personal files and data protected. That's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.